Hello guys, it's Kupaski and welcome back to our tutorials. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to install and how to set up WordPress, because we're going to be using WordPress to create this wonderful website. So I'm going to show you guys how to set it up. So if you've not downloaded WordPress, just do a Google search and it will land you to where you download it. And for me, I've already gotten a WordPress, so I'm just going to extract it and install it. So what I'm going to do right now is locate where I save my WordPress from, where I downloaded it from. Okay, so I'm going to click on my file, and then I'm going to click on desktop, then locate my WordPress. Alright, so it's right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it with zip and then open the files. I'm going to say extract to, then here I'm going to locate my XAMPP. I'm going to locate my XAMPP here, open it. This is my XAMPP. I'm going to locate the htdocs, and then okay, I have a jaguda.com here already. So what I'm going to do is just make a new video. Sorry, did I say video? Damn. So I'm going to make a new folder. I'm going to say jaguda.com. Right, then in here I'm going to say okay to extract that WordPress. Still extracting. So after extracting the full content, the next thing you need to do is to locate your root directory by typing localhost/jaguda.com. Once it loads for the first time, it's going to ask you for setup configuration.